Hello everyone, we are Jute Security. It's my pleasure to introduce our product. Our product is about personal property security. The name is That'sMine. We found some personal items in the library that no one was protecting. These phones, earphone, computer, bag are very easy to lose. Also, people are away for view, but the likelihood of thief is high. This is Taha. He lost some personal items when he was younger, and now he attached great importance to the safety of his personal property, and he also looking for ways to keep personal property safe. So the library situation and the Taha experience chucked our attention. We decided to do something about personal property security. So That'sMine was born.
That'sMine is a device for regular people like Taha to use to protect their items. It attaches to bags and devices and discreetly covers them with a net to shock thieves. It is as safe as a taser. It'll stop people and let them live, unlike a firearm. That'sMine also has easy activation methods such as a digital key on a phone app or voice commands on Alexa. That is how our current prototype looks like. It will be redesigned based on user feedback and to stop criminal cleverness. And this is how it looks like to activate the That'sMine prototype with Alexa. According to our market research by Forbes and Big Skinny, many items such as wallets, purses, and laptops are stolen. There is a need for That'sMine.
According to our 50+ interviews we've done with customers like Taha, we found that the first most popular solution to this problem is travel safes. Although travel safes can be helpful to protect items, it doesn't stop the theft in action once it's started, and it's not that portable. Most of the time, travel safes are a little bulky and heavy to carry. Unlike That'sMine, which can attach to multiple items, stop theft in action while it's occurring, and it's portable and can be taken on the go wherever you are. So looking through the business model and how a typical purchase would occur is that a customer like Taha would leave to go to the restroom and leave his laptop on the desk. While leaving his laptop on the desk, someone would come and try and take it, and he would get upset because when the laptop was stolen, he would find out his insurance doesn't cover this kind of theft. He would go online and Google laptops to find our website, That'sMine, with Jolt Security, and look at the products on our website. He'd purchase one, and it gets sent through the mail within a few days. So looking at our business model, we'd retail the price at $30 per unit, and our production cost would be around $10, and that would profit us at $20 per every That'sMine security device that is sold. And just an overview at our team, we have Jason Green, he's a chemical engineer, and he's our hacker and hustler. We have Pablo, who's an electrical engineer, he's also a hacker, and he's a hipster as well. I'm Becky Hansen, I'm entrepreneur, and I'm a hustler, and then we have Jing Yi, he's management, and he's a hacker.
Since day one, we have performed over 50 interviews, and with that feedback, we were able to design a product that meets the demands of our consumers. We then introduced it to potential consumers and shaped it based on feedback. Today, we are seeking $1,000 to continue the development of our product, where $200 will be used for website creation and design, and the balance will be used for producing 20 units of our product, which will be put through strenuous testing for both safety and consumer purposes, followed by placing more focus on marketing and branding of our product. For this building of our brand, we plan on attaching That'sMine to certain valuable items such as a laptop and leaving it alone to record any attempts of theft, which will then be uploaded to social media. We would like to finish today with a quote by Taha that inspires us to keep moving forward with our product design. Having a device that protects all of my property would be very helpful, and I would definitely invest in it.